How to learn English in 30 days. Improving yourself at speaking English within a span of a month would require good amount of dedication and consistency. The thing about speaking any language is that you need to have confidence from within, and this requires practice. I would suggest the following points. First step. First of all, you need to inculcate the habit of self-talking. Spare 20 to 30 minutes each day and ask yourself the simplest of the questions, like, what is your aim, your favorite movie, etc. Answer them in a controlled and steady manner. You may falter at the start, but you will improve gradually to a good extent. Second step. Secondly, create an English-speaking environment. Include your friends, family members who are good at speaking English. Ask for discussions on common topics. The pros of this step is that you get your mistakes clarified and you can work on them. Compliments on your improvement will instill confidence. Third step. Read topics you find intriguing. Novels, magazines, anything that invokes interest inside you. Point out the difficult words and refer a dictionary. This will get you acclimatized to the tone of English used by authors and will certainly enrich your vocabulary. You can narrate about them to your friends and family members. Fourth step. Watch movies with subtitles and analyze the dialogues being used because they can be related to the real-world conversations. Fifth step. Refer to grammar books in case you find yourself weak in that area. Always implement whatever you learn from these books in the self-talking session. You can also use social networks to express yourself. Lastly, stay confident of yourself, because speaking English requires more of confidence and the belief of facing the person in front of you. I hope this will help you and guide you through the English learning journey.